So I knew this day had come where I had to take off the fenders to get to the brakes and tyres, because these double hump fenders have been put on somewhat incorrectly. I'll show you what I mean. These are the fenders. They got 3 sets of brackets on each side, only 8 nuts and bolts, so it's pretty easy. But if you have a look here, you can see the fender has been put on with bolts going inwards, and what that means is to pull the fenders off, if you had a flat tyre, you'd have to pull the rear bumper off, which has got a series of nuts and bolts in there, so it's pretty cumbersome. So what I'm going to have to do is cut these all off, cut these 3 off this side, and then lift it off. We should be done. Right, so I've cut this side off, removed all the brackets, all off the front, and cut them all off there. So now we'll just lift it off. So now we've got the fenders off. You can see how much rust there has been in 10 years. That's the new bracket from WTI Fenders, and I have to give them a shout out. They've been fantastic with customer service. This is 10 years worth of salt damage from New England roads. I've got to cut that weld off there and weld this one on, and then put the fenders back on. All sounds pretty straightforward, but like anything with trucking, it's never straightforward. Some more rust damage from inside the fenders in the middle section, and the back, pretty bad also. They're not in very good shape. And here's the other side, all rusted away, pretty bad shape. It's not too bad. This side's pretty good. The other side's completely gone though. Okay.
If you like the video, please support the channel by liking, subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.